Have you ever dreamed of a world where you could ditch the bank statements and spreadsheets? Where managing your finances felt less like wrestling a crocodile and more like, well, managing your finances. Enter fintech, the land of financial technology promises, aiming to make our financial lives a breeze. One player in this arena is Flinks, a third-party service that connects your bank accounts to other financial apps. Sounds convenient, right? But when it comes to our hard-earned money, convenience can take a backseat to security. So, the burning question, is Flinks safe to use with your financial data? Let's dive deep. Flinks claims it uses industry-leading security practices. They tout features like AES 256 encryption, which is pretty much the gold standard for data scrambling. They also brag about SOC 2 certification, a compliance standard that shows they have controls in place to protect your information. Sounds impressive, but hold on a sec. Certifications are great, but they're not a magic shield. Data breaches happen to even the most secure companies. So, we need to look beyond the surface. Here's where things get interesting. Flinks doesn't actually store your login credentials. Instead, you grant them read-only access to your bank accounts. This means they can see your transactions, but they can't log in and, say, transfer funds. That's a plus. However, some folks might be uncomfortable with even read-only access. After all, your financial transactions paint a pretty detailed picture of your life, your spending habits, income streams, the whole shebang. Sharing that with a third party, no matter how secure they seem, can be a nerve-wracking proposition. Let's talk about who Flinks is partnered with. They're owned by National Bank of Canada, a well-established financial institution. That association inspires a bit more confidence. But again, it's not a guarantee. Here's the thing, security is an ongoing battle. What's secure today might have vulnerabilities tomorrow. So, it's important to be aware of the risks involved, even with a seemingly reputable service like Flinks. So, is Flinks safe? Well, we can't give you a definitive yes or no. They have security measures in place, but there's always an inherent risk when sharing your financial data. Here's what you can do. Do your research. Read Flinks' privacy policy and understand what data they collect and how they use it. Check reviews from other users. See what people's experiences have been. Consider the alternatives. Are there other ways to connect your bank accounts that you might feel more comfortable with? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Flinks is up to you. Weigh the convenience against the potential risks and make an informed choice. Remember, your financial data is sensitive. Don't be afraid to be cautious. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.